Imagine opening a Linux terminal and having instant access to some of the most powerful AI models in the world without jumping between websites, browser tabs, or separate applications. That idea is exactly what OpenCode is trying to make practical. Instead of treating AI as something that lives in a web interface, OpenCode brings it directly into the command line, the place where many developers, system administrators, and Linux enthusiasts already spend most of their time. It creates a workflow where conversations with advanced language models become as natural as running a command, editing a file, or checking system logs. For years, AI tools have largely been tied to websites and cloud dashboards. While these interfaces are convenient, they can interrupt the flow of work for people who live in the terminal. A developer might be writing code in Vim, managing containers, inspecting logs, and deploying applications all from the command line. Switching to a browser every few minutes to ask an AI question may not sound like a big deal, but over time it breaks concentration. OpenCode attempts to solve this problem by bringing AI assistants directly into the environment where technical users are already productive. One of the most interesting aspects of OpenCode is that it does not lock users into a single AI provider. Instead, it acts as a bridge to multiple models. Whether someone prefers Claude for its reasoning capabilities, GPT for its broad knowledge and coding assistance, Gemini for its growing ecosystem, DeepSeek for its powerful open model offerings, or locally hosted models for privacy and control, OpenCode provides a unified way to interact with them. This flexibility is important because different models excel at different tasks, and users no longer have to redesign their workflow whenever they want to switch providers. The Linux community has always valued choice and customization. Users can choose their desktop environment, package manager, text editor, kernel configuration, and countless other components. OpenCode fits naturally into that philosophy. Rather than forcing everyone into a single AI ecosystem, it allows users to select the model that best matches their needs. A programmer might use one model for code generation, another for documentation writing, and a local model for sensitive work that should never leave their machine. Privacy is another reason why support for local models matters. Many organizations cannot simply send proprietary source code, internal documents, or confidential information to external cloud services. With OpenCode, users can connect to locally hosted AI models running entirely on their own hardware. This means requests remain under the user's control, reducing concerns about data sharing and compliance requirements. As local AI models continue improving, this capability becomes increasingly valuable for businesses and individual users alike. The terminal has always been one of Linux's greatest strengths. It provides speed, efficiency, automation, and remote accessibility. OpenCode extends these strengths into the AI era. Instead of copying and pasting code snippets into a website, users can interact with AI directly alongside their existing tools. They can ask for explanations, request debugging assistance, generate scripts, summarize files, or explore technical concepts without leaving the command line. The experience feels more integrated into everyday workflows rather than existing as a separate activity. For software developers, the benefits can be substantial. Imagine encountering an error message during compilation. Instead of searching forms and documentation manually, a user can immediately ask an AI model for insight. The AI can analyze the error, suggest possible fixes, explain underlying causes, and even recommend best practices. Because this interaction happens within the terminal environment, troubleshooting becomes faster and more seamless than constantly switching contexts. System administrators may find similar advantages. Managing Linux servers often involves reading logs, configuring services, troubleshooting networking issues, and maintaining security policies. OpenCode can act as a knowledgeable assistant that helps interpret system information and suggest solutions. Rather than spending time searching through documentation pages, administrators can receive contextual guidance while remaining focused on their primary tasks. Another compelling feature is the possibility of integrating AI into existing command-line workflows. Linux users are famous for combining tools through scripts, pipelines, and automation. OpenCode can potentially become another building block in that ecosystem. Instead of treating AI as a standalone application, users can incorporate it into broader processes that involve file management, development pipelines, monitoring systems, or documentation generation. This opens the door to creative workflows that were difficult to achieve through browser-based interfaces alone. The rise of multiple AI providers has also created a challenge. Each service has its own interface, authentication methods, and feature set. Users often need separate accounts, separate applications, and separate workflows. OpenCode reduces some of this fragmentation by presenting a more consistent experience. Once configured, switching between models can become significantly easier. Users can compare responses, experiment with different providers, and choose the best tool for a specific task without constantly changing environments. Local AI models deserve special attention because they represent a major shift in how artificial intelligence can be used. Not long ago, running advanced language models required massive infrastructure available only to large companies. Today, increasingly capable models can run on personal computers and workstations. OpenCode embraces this trend by treating local models as first-class citizens alongside cloud-based services. This approach acknowledges that the future of AI will likely include both remote and local computing, rather than relying exclusively on one model. The open-source mindset is another reason tools like OpenCode attract attention in Linux communities. Many users prefer solutions that offer transparency, flexibility, and freedom from vendor lock-in. By functioning as a gateway to multiple AI systems rather than a closed ecosystem, OpenCode aligns with these values. Users retain more control over how they access AI, which models they choose, and where their data is processed. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into software development, productivity tools are evolving rapidly. The next stage may not be about creating entirely new interfaces, but embedding intelligence into environments people already use every day. For Linux users, the terminal remains one of those environments. OpenCode recognizes that reality and transforms the command line into a powerful AI workspace capable of connecting to some of the most advanced language models available. There is also a practical benefit in reducing complexity. Many users do not want a dozen separate AI applications installed on their systems. They want a straightforward way to access different models from a familiar interface. OpenCode delivers a centralized approach where the terminal becomes the control center for AI interactions. Whether generating code, researching technical concepts, writing documentation, or analyzing data, users can perform these tasks through a consistent workflow. The broader significance of OpenCode extends beyond convenience. It represents a vision where AI becomes a natural component of the Linux ecosystem, rather than an external service accessed occasionally through a browser. As language models continue to improve and local hardware becomes more capable, tools like OpenCode may play a major role in how developers and power users interact with artificial intelligence. Instead of AI feeling like a separate destination, it becomes another command-line capability available whenever it is needed. In many ways, OpenCode captures the direction modern computing is heading. Users want flexibility, privacy, interoperability, and efficiency. They want the freedom to choose between Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or locally hosted alternatives without rebuilding their workflow each time. They want AI to fit into their existing tools rather than forcing them into entirely new habits. By bringing multiple AI models directly into the Linux terminal, OpenCode offers a glimpse of a future where artificial intelligence is woven seamlessly into the daily experience of computing, making the command line more powerful, more intelligent, and more capable than ever before.